Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created delete event to remove category data dynamically from frontend. So in this, we will create an Ajax call to send request to delete record from the backend. First, create two category, double one. Okay, create this. It is created, and 1 2. It is created, and here we did not refresh the table, so we need to refresh the page. Here we have 3 categories, so when I will create one category, it will destroy table and delete that record from the front end, and we need to reinitiate the table again. For that, what we will do in the list, we will use this table again to initiate the record like this. Oops, so this is it. Now refresh this and delete one record. It will destroy the table, remove data, reinitiate the table, and only that record is visible which is in the front end right now. Here you can see we have 3 records. We are going to remove 11. Here the record is deleted, and this is also updated in the front end. Now it's time to create an Ajax call. Here we have the Ajax call, and here we will use the model. Here we have action listener or JSON response listener delete. We are only sending the temp ID to delete the record. You have successfully deleted a category, and it is done. So when I will click on delete, it will send the primary ID to the action which we will create in the next tutorial, and that will process store procedure and delete the record from the backend. And upon the successful response or on the successful execution on the database, we will remove record, destroy table, remove record, and update the table. Otherwise we will not process these steps. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.